Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, we have seen how to find the largest number in an array. In this video, we will see how to find the smallest number in an array. The logic remains the same. Let me explain you the logic first. In the previous video, as you have seen, we have taken the first element in R2 and second element in R4. We have compared them both. If R4 was greater than R2, then we have transferred the R4 value in R2. But this time, for the smallest number, what we are going to do is, we will do the same thing. We will compare. If R4 is smaller than R2, then only we transfer R4 value to R2. So I will open the code now, which we have written in the previous video. So this was the ALP for finding the largest number in an array, which we have written in the previous video. Here you can see we have taken the first element in R2 and second element in R4. We have compared them. Branch on highest means what? If R2 is higher than R4, then branch to flag. Flag is over here. After coming to flag, you decrement the counter or the number of elements by 1 and you loop back over here. Then you again take third element and again you compare. If R2 is higher, then you do nothing. If R2 is lower than R4, then you move R4 content into R2 and then again the loop continues till all the elements are compared. To find the smallest number, the only change that we have to make is over here. Here, after comparing, we should branch if R2 has the lowest number than R4. Then you should do nothing. Otherwise, if R4 has the lowest number than R2, it should move the R4 value to R2. So the only change that we have to make is over here. We should remove this highest hi and replace it by lowest. Let me show you that in the appendix. So here you can see we have an condition ls, lower or same. So we will use this one. I'm going to open this one. I'm going to cancel this one and use ls. I'm going to save this. I have not changed the file name. It is same as largest number in the array. So I'm going to add that file. Compile. 0 error, 0 warning. So you might have seen in the previous video, our final highest number will be in R2. Now we will get the lowest number in R2 for this program. So I'm going to start the debug session. I'm going to press F11. 6 has been loaded in R5, which indicates there are 6 elements. I am going to press F11 again. Values address has been loaded in R1. F11. R2 has the first element, that is 4. F11 again. And R4 has the second element, that is 1. Now the comparison happens. Comparison happened between 4 and 1. 4 is in R2 and 1 is in R4. So 4 is not less than 1. So this branch instruction does not take place and it goes to move instruction. So it moves 1 to R2. Here you can see R2 now has 1. Now we decrement the number of elements by 1 and we again loop back. Now the next element, that is 5, is loaded in R4. Here you can see the 5 has been loaded. Now again the comparison happens between 1 and 5. Since 1 is less than 5, it will go to branch and decrement the counter and again loop back. Now this time 10 is loaded, so 1 is less than 10, so it goes to branch and decrement R5 and loops back. Now 8 is loaded, it is compared, branched and again loop back. It continues till the end of all the array elements, and at the end after comparing all the elements, it comes over here, and here R7 has the address of this result, which is the read write base address. So we will transfer that lowest number in the memory. So we have done that, and we have came to the infinite loop. Here R7 is having the address of result. Let us see what is the result we got. In the previous video, I have told you how to set the read write base and everything. Check out my previous video if you do not understand this one. So I am going to open now the 8000 address. Here you can see we have got the desired lowest number of an array, that is 1. The lowest number of this array is 1, so we have got that one in the address. If you are still watching my video, please like, share and comment if you have any doubts. So this was it for this video. See you again in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.